Arohi, I want to talk to you about leave. It's urgent.
Leave? Again? You just returned to work last week after 10 days of holidays. What do you mean, leave again?
That was a holiday, and you approved the 10 days leave that time. It's not like I did not tell you I was going.
Yes, I did approve the 10 days leave, but I did not say that you could come back and immediately go back on leave again.
I cannot plan things like this. My mother is ill and I have to take care of her. I did not know this will happen when I went on leave before.
Divya, I'm sorry to hear that your mother is unwell, but don't you have a sister living here too? Why can't you ask her to take care of your mother since you've just taken so many days off from work? I'm sorry, I think that's what you should do.
You cannot refuse to give me leave. If necessary, I can take unpaid leaves, can't I?
Yes, you can take unpaid leave, but let me caution you on one thing. If I find out that you're unreliable and undependable, you may not get to work on crucial projects, and that could affect your prospects for growth. Let me be very honest with you. I don't want to risk giving important projects to someone who may go on long leaves frequently.
Are you threatening me?
Divya, I think you need to cool down and think before you talk. Your behavior is completely unprofessional, and I don't want to fire you right at this moment. So please think well before you try anything else.
No, I need this job. I was just saying that I will take unpaid leaves. That's all.
And I am telling you that taking leave is no longer an option for you. The best I can do is authorize a work from home option for you for 2 to 3 days next week. That's all.
2 to 3 days is not enough. I need a week's time to.
That's all you'll get, Divya. You can take it or you can send me your resignation letter right away.
Arohi, are you free right now? Can I talk to you for a minute? It is a bit of an emergency.
Emergency? Oh, what happened, Divya? Please tell me.
I really wish I could avoid this, but I need a week's leave again. My mother had an accident this morning and suffered a fracture, and she needs to undergo emergency surgery.
Oh my goodness, that's terrible. I hope she's not in too much pain.
Well, since she's in the hospital, the medications are helping her with the pain quite well. But it is necessary to schedule the surgery as soon as possible.
Divya, I do understand your situation, but you know that you were on leave for 10 whole days just the week before last. There's a lot of work pending and I can't simply let you take another whole week off. Your sister lives here too, right? Can't you ask her to take care of your mother?
My sister has a 2-year-old to take care of. She will pitch in for the post-surgery care, but I will have to shoulder the responsibility for the hospital stay, I'm afraid.
Oh, okay. What else can be done, Divya? Can you think of any other way to handle this? I really feel bad about asking you this, but with the new project that we just started yesterday, I really need all hands on deck.
Aruhi, will it work if I work from the hospital itself? I know you want me to handle the client meetings, but maybe Anuj can do that in my place. I can use my laptop at the hospital.
Oh, yes, why not? That'll certainly work. I didn't ask because I was not sure you could work from there considering your mother would be undergoing surgery.
I will make sure the work gets done, although I would really appreciate if you can be a bit more flexible with deadlines during this week. I might be able to work more on some days than others.
Of course, Divya, that should not be a problem as long as the work gets done by weekend. In fact, I'd say we can extend your deadline until next Monday if that'll help. And don't worry about the client meets. I'll handle them. As long as you are working from home, I don't mind if you need to extend it a couple of days.
If I need to stay home longer, I will let you know by Friday evening. And I do assure you that the work will be done by Monday morning for sure. You don't need to worry about that. And again, I'm sorry about the confusion, but I really cannot avoid this.
Of course, it's not like you knew this was going to happen. I just hope your mother gets better soon. If you need any help with anything, please ask, will you?